I am Dr. T. Srilata, Assistant Professor of Botany, Pingal Government Degree College for Women, Vaddapelli, Varangal. So today we discuss about Volvox, one of the algae. So coming to the systematic position of algae, Chlorophyta, class Chlorophyceae, order Volvocales, family Volvocaceae, genus Volvox. So coming to the occurrence, so the Volvox include about 20 species are there. All are aquatic and free floating. So they are grow into fresh water like ponds, lakes, rivers, etc. So coming to the vegetative structure of the Volvox, so it is one Cenobium, colonial, motile, flagella. So that is called Cenobium. So here in Cenobium, what is mean by Cenobium? Already I told in general characters of algae. So Cenobium means constant colonial of algae. So group the cells forms in group of cells are forms in one single structure that is called a colonial form. So here Cenobium means, so here constant number of cells, constant in size, constant in structure, so the cell structure, the cell size, the cell shape, so the number of cells are constant number, so fixed number of cells, the shape, size, structure in constant. So the cells are forms one, the group of cells are forms one single form that is called Cenobium. So here the Volvox as a Cenobium, so it has a flagella, so the colonial and motile and colonial form, so it is called Cenobium. Cenobium means constant number, size, shape and structure. So the similar in group of cells are similar into the size, shape and structure, and also fixed number of cells are present in the colonial form. So that this type of algae is called Cenobium. So Volvox belongs to Cenobium. So coming to the vegetative structure of the Cenobium, so here 500 to up to 5000 cells are present in the Cenobium. So it is look like one ball shaped structure, and 500 to 5000 cells are present in the Cenobium. So each cell we can see the structure of each cell. So it is similar to Chlamydomonas structure. So it has upper side, it has two flagella, and middle of the part is called cytoplasm, and it has one cell wall. So middle of the part is covered by the cell wall, and inner part is called cytoplasm. So cytoplasm having one nucleus and chloroplast cup shaped, here cup shaped chloroplast present in the cytoplasm, and one pyranid present in the chloroplast, and vacuoles are two vacuoles are present, and one eye spot also present in the single cell. So many cells are present in one valvax. So 500 to up to 5000 cells are present present in the synovium. So we can see the each cell, only one single cell, that single cell similar to Chlamydomonas structure. So it has two flagella at the upper side, and the structure is covered by the structure was covered by the cell wall, and middle of the part is called cytoplasm, and one nucleus present in the cytoplasm, and one cup shaped structure, one cup shaped structure of the chloroplast present in the cytoplasm, and one pyrenite present in the cup shaped structure of the chloroplast, and eyes part also present, and two vacuoles also present in the cytoplasm. So the cells are attached with each other with the help of plasmodesmata. So here the cells are attached with each other with the help of plasmodesmata, and middle of the place. So the cells are attached with each other, and middle of the place, that means gap place, space are filled with the water or mucilage. So here so many cells are attached with each other with the help of plasmodesmata, and middle of the place filled with the water or mucilage. So coming to the reproduction. So reproduction takes place by two types: asexual reproduction and sexual reproduction. So asexual reproduction. So coming to the first stage, so the synovium. So the upper cell convert into one large cell. The single cell lost their flagella, and they turn into very big size. They turn into very large size, big size, and lost their flagella, and they turn into one big size. Then undergoes to divisions. So the cell is divided into two cells, 2 to 4 cells, 4 to 8 cells. So here the stage of 8 cells, that stage is called plakia stage. So the gonidium, one cell is lost their flagella and turn into very big size. That cell is called gonidium. So this gonidium undergoes to some divisions, and it is divided into two cells, 2 to 4 cells. So the gonidium divided into 1 cell to 2 cells, 2 cells to 4, 4 to 8 cells. So that 8 cells stage is called plakia stage. So then again it is divided into 8 to 16 cells. So the 16 cells are attached with each other, and they are turned in. They forms one single gap at the upper side of the synovium. So that is called single gap. Some small space, some small gap. They forms one. The cells are attached with each other, and they forms one round shape structure, and they having one small gap. They having one small space at the upper side of the gonidium. That space is called, that hole is called phelophore. So that space, that gap that hole is called phelophore. So first stage is the cell is lost their flagella and turn into very big size. That cell is called gonidium, and gonidium undergoes to so some divisions, and it is divided into one cell to two cells, 2 to 4, 4 to 8. That 8 stage is called 8 cells stage is called Plakia stage. Then 8 cells undergoes to next division, and they turn into 8 into 16 cells. So these 16 cells attached with each other in a round shape structure, and they forms one gap, they forms one hole at the upper side of the gonidium, and that hole is called phelophore. So then they undergoes to inversion stage. So they attached with each other in a round shaped structure. Then they turn into upright position. Then they undergoes to inversion stage. So they turn into upright position, they undergoes to inversion position. So inside parts coming into outside. So inside parts coming into outside. Then they forms flagella and cytoplasm and nucleus. So each cell forms 2 flagella and 1 nucleus and cytoplasm and chloroplast, vacuoles, ice part. So it is similar to one single cell, similar to Chlamydomonas. So they forms into round shape structure, and they forms total parts: flagella, cytoplasm, chloroplast, pyranid, vacuoles also present forms in the last stage. So this complete formation of daughter volvox. So complete formation of daughter colony. So the mother volvox synovium, when the mother volvox disappears, so this daughter colony enter into the water, and they forms another volvox synovium. So next, coming to the sexual reproduction. Coming to the sexual reproduction. So oogamous type. So male sex organ is called antheridium, and female sex organ is called oogonium. So male sex organ produces androspores, and female sex organ produces egg cell or oogonium. Coming to the antheridium. So the volvox produces, at the time of sexual reproduction, the cell is changed into antheridium. So upper side of the one cell is changed into antheridium. So here also the antheridium, one cell lost their flagella, and they turn into round shape structure, and they undergoes to so many divisions, and 1 to 2, 2 cells to 4 cells, 4 cells to 8 cells. So up to 128 cells are present here. So the cells are undergoes to the cell, one cell is turned into antheridium, mother cell. So the antheridium mother cell undergoes to so many divisions and they forms so many cells, and each cell turn into androspore. So each cell turn into androspore, not clear here. Each cell turn into androspores. So here we can see the antheridium also. So this is asexual reproduction diagram, but it is similar to antheridium structure also. So here the antheridium, one cell is converted into antheridium, and the antheridium loss of their flagella, and it is turned into round shaped structure, and it is divided into 2 cells, 2 to 4, 4 to 8, 8 to 16, so up to 128 cells, and the cells are attached with each other, and they forms they attached with each other and they forms one round shaped structure, and it has, and they turn, each cell turn into androspore. So the androspore having 2 flagella. So it is similar to asexual reproduction, one single cell, but size very small in size. So the size is very small. So similar to, the shape is similar to one single cell, but the androspore size is very small. So the complete formation of this androspore, so each androspores it has 2 flagella, and they turn 2 flagella, and they complete formation of androspores. They enter into the water and they search for the oogonium. Here they search for the oogonium, and so here they swims for some time with the help of flagella, and they search for the oogonium. Then coming to the oogonium, so here female sex organ is called oogonium. So here the female sex organ is called oogonium. So the cell lost their flagella, and they turn into round shaped structure or ovule shaped structure, and they did not undergo any division. So the cell convert into egg cell. So here only one single cell lost their flagella, and they turn into oogonium, and middle of the cytoplasm they did not undergo to any division, and the cytoplasm convert into one single egg cell. So very large, very big single egg cell. So the androspores are enter into the, coming to the fertilization. So the androspores are enter into the water, and they swims for sometimes with the help of flagella, and the androspores enter into the oogonium, and only one male gamete fusions with, we can see the third picture, one male gamete, second picture, one male gamete fusions with one female gamete, and they forms one zygote. So here the zygote also the zygote is in diploid stage. So the zygote in diploid stage, so they undergoes to meiosis division and it is divided into 4 cells. So here the 3 cells are disappears and only one cell very the only one cell convert into zoospore. So here the zygote in diploid stage, so the male gamete fusions with the female gamete and they forms one zygote. And the zygote in diploid stage, so it was undergoes to meiosis division and it is divided into 4 cells. So here the 3 cells disappears and only one cell convert into zoospore. So only one cell develops as a zoospore, and the zoospore swims for some time with the help of flagella and they forms and so many cells and they forms one synovium. So this is the volvox life cycle, asexual reproduction and sexual reproduction. Here we can see the life cycle. So asexual reproduction, the I tell you once again, the single cell lost their flagella and the single cell change into gonidium, and gonidium undergoes to some division and it is divided into 2 to 4, 4 to 8 8 cell stage is called plakia stage sorry plakia stage, and 8 cells again division into 8 to 16 cells. So 16 cells attached with each other and they turn into upright position and after inversion position, so the inner side parts coming into outside and then they forms flagella, they forms nucleus in the cytoplasm and they forms chloroplast and pyranid vacuoles also forms forming, and then complete formation of this daughter colony when the mother volvox disappears, then the daughter colony produces the forming new volvox synovium. So then coming to the sexual reproduction, so here at the time of sexual reproduction the volvox unisexual or bisexual. So the volvox produces same antheridium and oogonium in the same synovium, or the antheridium produces another synovium and oogonium produces another synovium. So unisexual or bisexual. So coming to the antheridium, so here the single cell convert into antheridium, lost their flagella, convert into single antheridium. So the antheridium undergoes to so many division and the so many cells, it is divided into so many cells and each cell attached with each other and each cell forms as androspore and it has 2 flagella. Complete formation of androspores, they comes outside and they swims for some time with the help of flagella and they search for the oogonium. So next coming to the oogonium, so here the oogonium, one single cell lost their flagella and they turn into oogonium, and the cytoplasm they did not undergoes to any division. the nucleus and cytoplasm, they did not undergoes to any division, and the total middle of the part is turned into one single egg cell, and the male gametes androspores search for the oogonium, and they enter into the oogonium, and only one male gamete fusions with one female gamete, and they forms one zygote. So the zygote in diploid stage, so they undergoes to meiosis division, and three cells are disappears, and only one cell grow as a zoospore. So here the zoospore swims for some time with the help of flagella, and the water is available, and they forms one new daughter, Volvox synovium. Thank you.